go for third gear because I don't know how aggressive second gear. Oh! What is happening with those wipers? I'm going to abort this. That was way too scary. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we finally have this Nissan GTR. It finally happened. It has taken a long time. I know a lot of you wanted to see this car on our channel. It just never happened, and I don't know why. It's just, we have tried, but every time it seemed like it was going to happen, something came up. So today we thought we would do it right and start with one of the craziest ever. We've got a Nissan GTR R35 from SW Performance in the Netherlands, who have tuned this beast to 1200 horsepower. So it is freaking ridiculous, this car. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you around it, show you all the cool stuff on it, and I will tell you as well as I can what has been done to this car. We just picked it up. I've got an immense list of modifications, so I'll show you that as well, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn for an Autobahn blast. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload a new video, and check us out on Instagram if you like. All right, so what have we got? We've got a very cool wrap, actually. This like color changing wrap with gold and green. Normally I'm not a big fan of it, but on this GTR it does seem like, yeah, it's a proper color. We've got a lot of carbon fiber, of course. This is a 2009 Nissan GTR. We've got some race forged wheels, 20-inch. We've got a stop tech big brake kit with some Brembo calipers and some racing pads, carbon fiber mirror caps, carbon fiber side stuff. At the rear we've got a carbon fiber spoiler. It's got a 4-inch custom exhaust as well. And we'll just get to the engine right away. So, do we have, like, yeah. What do we have? Well, stock, of course, this car has a 3.8 liter V6 turbo with 485 horsepower. This one is a 4.2 liter, so it has a stroker kit, 4.2 liter turbocharged with, as I said, 1200 horsepower. Now, the list of modifications is just too freaking big, so I'm just going to keep this with me and show you the most important stuff. I'll also put a screen recording on the right of the screen so you guys can see the entire list of modifications. So let's start with the gearbox. It's got a PPG first to sixth gear set, a Datsun Pro Max clutch kit, Datsun upgraded oil pump, Datsun clutch return spring, Datsun clutch center shim, 1000 horsepower rear axle. On the engine, it's a sleeved VR38 block, ETS GTX 35R turbo kit with screamer pipes, ETS race intercooler kit, Manley 98.4mm stroker crank, stroker pistons with heavy duty pistons, upgraded pins, Manley turbo tough rods, Calvert B cams, valve springs. Well, I did show you now what has been done to it, and I am going to try and tell you as well as I can, to the best of my abilities, what it feels like when we take it for a drive, which we are going to do now. So, on the interior, it's just a standard Nissan GTR with some nice bucket seats. And yeah, here, nothing has changed here, I think. Okay, so I have to be honest, I haven't really driven it hard yet. So you guys are going to join me on this journey. And we are going to see what it's like to drive this freaking beast. So we'll put it in manual. And we'll put this is the suspension, I guess. What's that? Drivetrain and traction control? I guess we'll put everything in R mode, right? Guns blazing. Oh, that gearbox is already one of my favorite things of this year. It sounds like a freaking race car. I think it also has straight cut gears, so it's bordering on a sequential gearbox, but that sound and that whine is absolutely delicious. So of course we are at a different spot than usually, but we still found a little overpass for some sound. So we'll go for third gear because I don't know how aggressive second gear. Oh! Oh my god! Oh no! This is very, very crazy and very aggressive. Okay, here we go. We are at the AutoBahn. I'm going to get myself ready for this. Oh my god! Oh no! Holy holy fuck! Holy f***, this thing is fucking quick. Oh my god, and something is going on with the wipers and the hazard lights. But oh my god, this thing is so awesome. Oh my god, what is happening with those wipers? Jesus, this, oh my god, this gearbox combined with that engine. Oh, one moment, I have to get there. Go for it. This thing runs is absolutely insane. It just pulls and you have to hold on, and it absolutely shoots towards the horizon. It is wow, wow, wow. This is a really, really, really impressive car, and I don't know what to do about that wiper situation. Was that the wind? Holy that's it. I'm going to abort this. That was way too scary. I don't know what the that was. I hope it was the wind. Okay, that's it. I'm going to abort mission. That didn't really feel good. I don't know what that was, but I'm going to end it here. What a machine. What an absolute crazy build. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a quick little review. You can subscribe by clicking the big button right there. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. See you at the next one, guys. Bye.